What's wrong with the clam? The clam got a lot of trash inside its shell. We need to help. Let's help the clam dress up. The clam is hungry. Let's feed it. The clam's pearl looks beautiful.
What problem are we going to solve now?
How did the walrus get hurt? Oh dear! The walrus was hit by the ship. Let's help him. The walrus has a big bump on his head. Let's put some ice on it. The walrus has been healed. He's happy now. The walrus is hungry. Let's feed him.